Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get messy beach waves like this using a wand, so stay tuned. So first I'm going to start off by straightening the top section of my hair. I also like to straighten where my hairline is just because my hair likes to wave right there. My hair is pretty straight, but of course right there is like where it likes to be wavy. So last night I washed my hair, so normally I'd like for it to be like 2 days, honestly, because my hair, I can go a while without washing it because it doesn't get greasy because I kind of trained it to be like that. So since I washed it last night, I'm going to go in with dry shampoo. I use Tresemme Fresh Start Dry Shampoo. When I use it, I just like to lift up and let go of my hair while I spray. I like to get it in the roots, but I also want to get a little bit in the bottom. Same with this side. Then just shake it out, rub it in, because as you can see it goes on like white. You guys are probably wondering why my makeup is so dramatic today. I'm going to a concert tonight. I'm going to Lady Antebellum and Kelsea Ballerini. If you guys are ever interested in learning how to do this makeup look, just comment below and I will put up a tutorial. Because I think my makeup tutorials would be helpful because I'm not a professional and I'm not an expert and I struggle. Like, this is the first time I've ever done winged eyeliner. This side clearly is skinnier than this side, but I don't think I did a bad job. But this just shows that I know how you guys are feeling because I struggle too. I'm not an expert. I'm new to this game. I'm just really passionate about hair and makeup. So yeah, if you want to see this look, just comment below. Watch me struggle. So now I'm going to section off my hair. So I like to section this side in 3 sections to curl, and I do this side in 4 just because there's more hair on this side. Take my hair. Guys, I can't find my clip. And I need my comb. Okay, so maybe now I'm ready. Nope, gotta shift. So next I'm gonna spray the bottom layer of my hair. I use L'Oreal's Lock It In Bold Control Hairspray. I think it... Okay, so it just took me about 5 minutes to find where this cap went. It flew all the way under my bed, which, as you can see, my bed is right behind me, but like, I'm sitting in front of my window and it literally just flew all the way under there. So that's how this tutorial is going. I just pull my hair away and I let it release it slowly. Just pull it away and release slow. Shake it out. Don't spray like too much, because then you get, when you curl your hair, you get like those crinkly, crispy looking pieces. It's not pretty. When I curl my sections, I like to alternate. So this section, I start with the hair going away from my face, and then the next section, this front piece will go towards my face, and then I always like the last section to end going away from my face because it angles the face better and it makes it look thinner, which, let's face it, we all want. I take about 1-inch sections. On low heat, I use the wand, and I honestly hold it. Since my hair is pretty clean, I'm going to probably hold this for about 10 seconds, Normally if it was dirty, I hold for like 5-10 seconds was clearly too long, so I'm gonna pull it. I pull it so it loosens, and it's still a little too tight, but like I'm gonna shake it out at the end. My next section of hair, I'm gonna go the opposite direction, and I'm gonna curl towards my face. I always leave out about 1 inch of my hair at the bottom because that's what gives it the messy look, and that because those straighter pieces make it look like it's not perfect. See, like that's better. So I'm going to take this piece, but the difference between this side and this side is this is only 3 sections. I'm going to curl this piece towards my face first because the next layer will be away, then the next layer will be towards, and then the final layer will be away from my face. Yep, the bunch of stuff just fell. Now I'm going to resection my hair, so bringing down. So now I'm just going to spray. So now this piece, take another 1 inch section, and this piece is going to go towards my face, still leaving that 1 inch bit of hair out at the end. Guys, I just burnt my face. Look at this burn. This is a burn I got the other day from curling my hair. So now I just burnt myself right here. Clearly I shouldn't have hot objects near me. So now this next piece, I'm going to curl away from my face. So now I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. So now I'm going to curl this piece away from my face, leaving that inch out at the bottom. The reason why I wanted to even do this hair tutorial was because I've wanted to achieve messy, beachy waves for a really long time, and everyone I know does it with a hair straightener, and I hate it with a hair straightener. I don't know if it's because my hair doesn't curl very well with a hair straightener. I don't know if it's user error, probably could be. But my friend tried to curl my hair with a hair straightener and it wasn't coming out right either. So I just think it might be my hair. But so now I'm gonna resection my hair. Do what you've been doing, spray the section lightly. And then I'm gonna take a little bit bigger of a section than the 1-inch section I've been taking. I leave this piece on heat the least amount of time because I want this to be the most effortless looking curl and the loosest looking curl. So honestly, like 5-7 seconds the most if my hair is really clean, but sometimes it doesn't come out the way I want it to. Like that's pretty good. And then like I said, I just pull it to loosen it up a bit. And like I really like when the ends are very straight. It helps create that messy look. Can never tell what pieces are left out in the back. Does anybody else have that struggle, or is it just me? So then, like I said, 1 inch or so pieces. And we're just gonna, this is gonna go towards the face. So I'm filming this video on my iPhone because your girl doesn't have money to go buy Canon and Nikon combined. I don't have like money to go buy a Nikon or anything to start doing this. So it's really hard because it's like I'm looking at my phone, which shows me, and I'm watching myself curl my hair on my phone. But it's like it looks like I'm looking to the right of the camera. And I should be looking at the little dot. See, I'm looking at you guys now. The little dot that the little camera is. You don't know how hard it is to keep, like, look at that dot. Like, all the people who film these tutorials with those really expensive cameras, they're just looking at a big lens, which is easy. But like me, I'm waiting to get a camera. So I'm filming on my iPhone for cheapies, and it is hard. So if it looks like I'm looking to the right of me, I'm sorry. And if you hear birds chirping, it's because this lighting your girl got is called natural lighting. You can buy it from Mother Nature for free. And the window's open, so yeah, you can probably hear those birds chirping outside right now. They haven't stopped chirping all day. I believe this is my last piece. So now I'm gonna start without hurting the curls. The last section of my hair. I'm just gonna brush it out because I've been continuously like throwing it up, so it's really knotted. So now I'm gonna take, like I said, a little bit bigger of a section. I'm gonna comb it out to be a little straighter. So now I'm taking about a little bit bigger than a 1-inch section. Like I said, I'm gonna curl away from the face. And I'm gonna hold the heat for like 5 or 7 seconds just because I want it to be loose. Looser than the rest. There we go. Oh, look at that. The money piece. So, to get the messy part, I just run my fingers through the curls to kind of separate them. And then my lovely hairstylist, shout out to Gabby at Mainstream in Leominster, Mass. She taught me that you take your hair and then you spray hairspray as you release, just like, and then kind of move it about. And then look, I think it looks very different. Okay. So then I run my fingers through the hair. So then I'm gonna pull it up and I'm gonna release. I'm gonna pull it up and I'm gonna release slowly and spray at the same time. And I'm gonna do this in the back as well. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed, and please leave comments of what you want me to do next. Thanks for watching.